Hi, my name is Nick. Today I'm going to be showing you how to insert a bocal into the wing joint of a bassoon. So the reason I'm showing you how to insert the bocal like this today is because a lot of folks have been calling in and asking about bocal repairs lately. So the way I'm going to show you is actually based on physics, and I'm going to try and explain how it works. So we're going to try and find the center of gravity on this bocal. The easiest way to do this is to balance it on your finger. So if I place the bocal like this, you can see that it doesn't actually move. And if I wiggle my finger a little bit, the bocal doesn't really move from this position. So this is about on the bocal where the center of gravity is. The reason you want to grip it at this point is because the farther away you get from this point, the more chance you're going to have of bending it. It kind of works like a diving board. At this end is where the bocal is anchored, and this is where gravity actually acts on the bocal. So the farther away that you grip it, because some people grip it here at the top, some people grip it even a little bit further along, then you're going to cause more force on the bocal at a point where it's not equal to the gravity. So that's why when people grip the bocal here, there's a much greater chance of it getting dented or even tearing the seam, is because this is where gravity is and this is where your force is, and that is not equal to each other, and this force is pushing more greatly on the bocal than gravity is. So you want to try and cancel it out, and that's why we grab it at the center of gravity. So now I'm going to show you actually how to insert the bocal into the bassoon. So, like I said, we're going to grab it at the center of gravity, and we're going to insert it until the cork resists, and then we're going to twist and push. I try to do more twisting than pushing just to make sure that I'm not going to be doing any damage to it. And that's pretty much it. And then to pull it out, we're going to do the exact same thing, but in the opposite direction. So I'm going to, again, grab it at the center of gravity, I'm going to twist, and I'm going to pull. So that's how you insert and remove a bassoon bocal from your bassoon. I hope this helped. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, you can feel free to send me an email.